Hi people, thank you so much for watching. This is Andy coming to you live from andy@twiga.com, and today I want to continue my series on how to use YouTube for your network marketing or for your home business or for any business that you're involved in. It could be small business. Today I'll be continuing that series, and I will be talking about how to add a subscribe button to your videos or a subscribe link to any of your videos. So stay with me for the next 5 to 10 minutes maximum, and I'll show you exactly how I've got that done. Now, I've been using YouTube recently, made a few changes on my channel and started seeing subscribers and started seeing leads in my business. So this helps here. So there are two methods if you want to add people or you want to add a subscribe link onto your channel. The first method is to add a button which shows up mostly on the bottom right corner of your video. The second one is to just add a link which you could put anywhere on the video. You can customize that any way you want it. So I'm going to start with adding the YouTube button. Now you need two bits of information. The first bit of information you need is your YouTube channel link. Now I'm going to show you how to get that. And then the next thing you need is a YouTube subscribe button. I always go for a transparent version, which means that there's nothing in the background. So for me, it just looks sleek. It doesn't make any huge difference anyway. So let's talk about getting your YouTube channel URL. So that's your custom URL. Now to get that bit, you want to open your notepad, make sure you've got it set up. Click on your image right there and then click on YouTube settings. Now when you get to your YouTube settings, you want to click on advanced, and then you want to copy that link, your custom URL right there. Just copy that link right there and then paste it into your notepad. That's the first bit of information. Now the second bit of information you need is the image itself. Now what I do is I go to my nice lovely friend Google and I just type in YouTube subscribe button, and you see a lot of things are popping up already. So you would see a lot of buttons. You select the one you want, you download, but beware of this. I mean, I just go for a generic one, right? Most people here just put it there for free, and then I'll right click and I'll just save image as. Simple as that. So you just have to look for the right one. For those who don't know, just click on it. See that will pop up right there. Right click there, say save image as, right, and that's it. That subscribe button is downloaded. So next thing you want to do is to head on over to YouTube. Now that we've got these two bits of information, we can now start setting up our button. So first things first, let's go back into your settings, YouTube settings right there. And when you get there, you want to view additional features right there, and then you want to click on branding right there in the left corner. I just uploaded this, so let me show you how this looks like if you don't have one yet. If you don't have one yet, YouTube will just say add watermark. If you don't have one yet, just click on add watermark, browse, and then I would go and look for the file where I've saved it. It's best to save it on the desktop, and then I'll come back and I'll show you how it looks like. Okay, so I went into my folder. It popped up with the folder. I selected my desktop, the image I wanted, and then it's right there as you can see. And I'm just going to click save. And this is how it will look like on my channel. I just click save. And that's it. This is how it will look like. Now, this is the time at which it would show. So 5 seconds into the video, YouTube would show this image so people can actually click and subscribe. So I just update this. And then let's test this to make sure it's working okay. So I go back to my channel. Okay, go back to my channel. And then I would look for some videos in my channel. I'll just watch it. Let me check one that has, actually, this one is the recent one I did. So I'm just going to click on that. And we'll see that 5 seconds later. Right. Okay, so there you go. 5 seconds, actually. 5 seconds, it pops up. So what happens is if anybody sees this and they do this, they'll be able to click this, and YouTube would allow them to click subscribe. Okay, so if I view this as a new visitor, this is how it will look like to a new visitor, and they can click subscribe. Okay, so that's really cool. All done. That is working fine. So I'm going to show you the second way of doing this by, putting the link right in the video. So there's two differences. One is the subscribe button right there. Second is a link right there. So you can see there's a link. This link, I can click on it and it will pretty much do the same thing. Okay, so the most important thing is you want to know what you want to use. Okay, so to do that, we have to go into our video manager, right? So if you don't know where your video manager is, go into any of your videos, click on video manager, and it will come up with all the videos you have. So I'm just going to select one of my videos. Yes, my video right there, and then I will click on edit. And then next thing you want to do is to click on add annotations. And then on add annotations, I would wait. I want this to pop up maybe in the next 5 seconds. So with this, what I personally do, I wait. Okay, so I'll pause this now. I know 8 seconds, I need to put that thing there. So I go, add a note, and I say subscribe here, exclamation mark. I change the font size, make it 16, a bit bold. Then I move it to the left side corner. You can change the background if you want. Let's make it red. I make the background red. The text, can either make it black or whichever way you want. I'll just leave it as white. And then this is where we use the link. So I just click on this radio button here, click on check that checkbox there. You want to click on the checkbox and then come and grab that URL, copy, and then you want to say subscribe, and then enter a YouTube username to subscribe to. I just put the whole link in there, paste, and then you want to test the link. So let's preview it, see if it's working all right. Yep, it goes straight to my channel. And that's it. I want it to open in the same window, so I'll just uncheck that. Save. I'll just edit this a little bit more. Save. And that's it. That's all added. Apply changes. And then if I should go back to this video here. Oops, wrong. Alright, so there we go. Let's make sure that shows up. So waiting. Boom. So there's a subscribe button right there. Subscribe here. Somebody clicks, it will take them to the subscribe page where they can do that. So this is it. This is how you can add a subscribe link and a subscribe button to your YouTube channel or to your YouTube videos to make sure you're getting enough subscribers and followers on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching this, and I'll see you in my next video. God bless you. Bye.